So without wasting my time, let's get it. This right here is what we are going to use for the short sleeve. This material right here is what we are going to use for the short sleeve. It's a short sleeve what, and this is 9 inches. You understand? The width is 9 inches and the length is 8 1/4. So we need a 9 1/4. So we are gonna be adding this one to it to make it longer to what, 9 1/4. You understand? I'm gonna teach on this one too. So this right here is folded into 2. You understand? So if it's folded into 2, then it's divided by 2. You understand? To make it 9. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. You understand? So what we are gonna do is the armhole is the kid armhole is 17. So 17, if you divide 70 by 2, you are gonna get 8 1/2. But we ain't gonna do it 8 1/2. We are gonna do it 9 1/2. You understand? We are gonna mark 9 1/2 right here. You understand? And the sleeve around is 4 1/2. And we are not going to do it 4 1/2. Understand? We are gonna add some inches to it for the sewing allowance. That's why we did the same as the armhole. You understand what I'm talking about? So we are gonna be doing it 6 inches. You understand? So it's gonna be like this. You understand? So when we are cutting, it's gonna be like this. You understand? It's gonna be like this. So let's cut it so you see how to cut your short sleeve. You understand? This is how to cut a short sleeve. This is how we cut a short sleeve. You understand? This is how we cut a short sleeve. You understand? So guys, this is how we cut a short sleeve. So we are gonna be marking here. You understand? We are gonna be marking here. We are gonna be ticking here, and if you open it, it's gonna be looking like this. It's gonna be looking like this. It's gonna be looking like this. I told you it's 2, right? So this right here too is folded into 2. So let's measure it. So it's 1 inches. So if it's 1 inches and it's folded into 2, that means it is 2 inches. If you open it, it is 2 inches. You understand? 2 inches right there. So we have folded it into 2, same as this one. So we are gonna join it to the what, to make the length to be what, 9 1/4. So let's do it right now. This is how we do it. You are just gonna be putting it on it like this and be stitching it through to the down part. So let's get it. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله. We are doing it the same way. Understand? We are doing it the same way that we did the first one. Understand what I'm talking about? So it continues. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. So guys, this is exactly how we stitch it. So if we open it, it's gonna be looking like this. You understand? Guys, it's gonna be looking like this. You understand? And this one too is gonna be looking the same. You understand? So what we are gonna do is to what? Iron it to make it down flat. Understand? Iron it to make it down flat. Understand? Iron it. So guys, after ironing it, this is how it's gonna be looking. After ironing it, this is how it's gonna be looking. You understand? So we are gonna stitch it through. You understand? We are gonna stitch it on the top. So watch how we stitch it, so you know how to stitch yours very beautiful. You understand? So this is how we stitch it. You understand? And same to the other one. You understand? Same to the other one. So guys, this is how we do it. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification for the more best sewing stars on master sewing platform. So guys, this is how we stitch the short sleeve. This right here is how we stitch the short sleeve. You understand?